Shenzhen KEAN Silicone Product Company Limited was established in 2011, located in Shenzhen, China. Our company covers an area of 7,200 square meters and has 230 employees. We are specialized in silicone products for over 13 years, including silicone baby feeding products, silicone baby toys, silicone water bottle, silicone household, silicone pet products, silicone makeup products, silicone outdoor and travel series. With 18 people R&D engineer team, our factory come out 4 to 8 kinds of KEAN patented new arrivals every month. Besides, our factory is professional on OEM and ODM as well. To make your idea come true, the designers get your idea with 3D drawing and 3D printer, and the molding room make the mold after the drawing confirmed. We have BSCI, ISO 9001, Walmart, LFGB certificate, and all orders will be full inspected before shipping by our qualified QC team based on AQL inspection. 53 sales team with rich experience on international trading and offering solutions, including product design, colors match, different styles of packaging design. So make it easy for the customer to do the right choice. We have had a good reputation among our customers because of our perfect services, quality products, patent design. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.